Hello children, our next topic is word problems related to subtraction. So exercise 8.6. Question number 3. Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So when you read the question, you have to understand whether you have to do addition or subtraction. Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. So what is the cost of the book? Rupees 35.65. And he after that he gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. So the money paid to the shopkeeper is rupees 50. So he gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. So what will happen? The shopkeeper will give him that means the balance. The shopkeeper will give him the balance. So what is the question? How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So what we have to find out? We have to find out the balance. So the balance amount we have to find out. So if you want to find out the balance amount, what we have to do? We have to do addition or subtraction. So we have to find out the difference between those two values. That means subtract. Okay. Therefore, how we can write out the first step? The cost of the book. Cost of a book or cost of the book is equal to rupees 35.65. Then money paid to the shopkeeper, how much? Rupees 50. So the money paid is rupees 50. Now how much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? That means you have to find out the balance amount. Therefore balance amount is equal to from rupees 50 you have to subtract 35.65, that is rupees 50 minus rupees 35.65. Now what we have to look into? 50 is given as a whole number. So we have to write it as a decimal number. So for the second number it is given as a decimal number. Count the number of decimal places. 2 decimal places. So how we can write 50? 50 we can write as rupees 50 point. Put the decimal point and after that we have to put 2 zeros because we need 2 decimal places. So 50 we can write as 50.00 minus rupees 35.65 equal to 50.00 minus 35.65. So we have to borrow 1 from 5. So it will become 4. It will become 10. So from 10 we have to borrow 1. So 10 will become 9. So the next place is 10. From 10 again we have to borrow 1. So 10 will become 9 and it will become 10. Then 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. Next decimal point comes, put the decimal point. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So rupees 14.35. So rupees 14.35 means 14 rupees 35 paise. So the balance amount is rupees 14.35. Next question. Tina had 20 meters 5 centimeter long cloth. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? How much cloth is left with her? So we have to find out the balance. Okay, so what we have to do? Whether it is addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Now Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. So the length of the cloth is 20 meter 5 centimeter. So from that cloth she cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter for making a curtain. So how much, what is the length of the cloth used for making a curtain? 4 meter 50 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of the cloth left with her. So we have to do subtraction. Now the first step, how we can write the first step? Total length of the cloth. Total length of the cloth. Total length of the cloth equal to 20 meters 5 centimeter. Now it is not given in the decimal form, so we have to write it in the decimal form. So you know that how we can convert it into the decimal form? 20 meter 5 centimeter. Which one you have to convert? 5 centimeter you have to convert. So when you convert, what you will get? If you can write down the answer directly, you can write it. Otherwise you have to write down the steps. So we can write it as 20 meters plus 5 by 100 meters. So this 5 centimeter we have to convert. So 20 meter 5 centimeter means it is a 20 meter plus 5 centimeter. 20 meter plus 5 centimeter. Then this 20 meter plus 5 centimeter we can write as 20 meter plus 5 by 100 meters. 20 meters plus 5 by 100 meters. Now 5 by 100, how we can write? 20 meters plus, after 1 we have 2 zeros. So look at the digit in the numerator. We have 5. So we have to move 2 digits to the right, starting from the unit place. 5 is already there. We need 1 more digit. So we will put a 0. Then the whole number part is absent. So we can put a 0 in the whole number part. So 5 by 100 means 0.05 meter. So when we combine, we will get it as 20.05 meters. So the total length of the cloth is 20.05 meters. Now what is the length of the cloth used for making a curtain? 4 meter 50 centimeter. So length of the cloth used for making curtain. Used for making a curtain. So equal to 4 meter 50 centimeter. So 4 meter 50 centimeter we have to express it in a decimal form. So 4 meter 50 centimeter means 4 meter plus 50 centimeter. So this 50 centimeter we have to convert it into meter. So when we convert it, what we will get? We can write down the answer directly. So what you will get? 4.50 meters. Therefore, the length of the cloth used for making the curtain is 4.50 meters. Now we have to find out how much cloth is left with her. So you have to find out the length of the cloth left. So length of the cloth left. Equal to, so from the total length we have to subtract the length of the cloth used for making the curtain. So the length of the total length of the cloth is 20.05 meters minus length of the cloth used for making the curtain, that is 4.50 meters, equal to 20.05 minus 4.50. So write down the first decimal number. Under that you have to write down the second decimal number. Look at the places. So 4.50, 4 is in the whole number part. We have only one digit, that is in the unit place or ones place. So you have to write 4 under 0. Now we have to start subtraction from the 100th place onwards. 5 minus 0, 5. So this one is not possible. So we have to borrow 1 from 2, therefore it will become 1. So this one will become 10. From 10 we have to borrow, it will become 9. Here it is 10. So 10 minus 5, 5 comes to the decimal point, put the decimal point. 9 minus 4, 5. Then here no digit in the tens place, so we can put a 0. Therefore 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. So the answer is 15.55 meters. So the length of the cloth left is equal to 15.55 meters. Now homework, exercise 8.6, question number 4. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.